Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we will talk about a WordPress website like this website I have created on Wordpress. Have a look at this website and I will tell you that how you can create a website, such a great website like this, in a very few minutes or a very few seconds, few minutes obviously. So that for this what you have to do and what you can actually expect, or what you have to insert, or whatever the things are required by developing such WordPress website, so that people can buy things from your website with easy packages and other things, contact us things, featured like thing in your website with this Google Map feature and everything. This is very simple thing. I can easily tell you that you have to first of all log into your cPanel of your website. I have purchased this website from GoDaddy, so that in GoDaddy, go to the domain. You can easily buy the domain from GoDaddy. Just go to the hosting of GoDaddy of your domain, where you can find the cPanel easily. You can easily buy it from GoDaddy. Go to web hosting and then go to manage. Actually, I have purchased this domain from GoDaddy and also purchased an hosting service from GoDaddy, so that we can install WordPress on it. You can simply just go to your hosting server, whatever it is. It is some server like easy server for you guys. You can buy it. Log into your server on GoDaddy. After then you can have this window. Simply click on cPanel admin. From cPanel admin you can easily go to your WordPress website application that you have already installed. From there you can visit your backend by clicking on WP admin link. If you are new to your WordPress, you can just create a new installation by clicking on here install button, and then enter your title, enter your administration username and then password and everything. Then you can have it like this. From here you have to go to appearance and then themes. In the themes you have to select this Astra theme that I have already installed. Then after installing this theme, this is totally free theme, there is nothing to pay for it. And then you have Astra options here in the left side. From here you can go to the Astra library. For Astra library you must go to this or click on here see library starter templates. You have ready-made templates for your websites. Just click on it and go for Elementor on the right side here. Click from different page builders, click on Elementor. I have selected digital agency for my website, that is totally free. This one, after clicking on it, you can simply import complete website and you will have a website like this that I have shown you before. From here you can import it and it will be completed, and with few plugins you can have more things on your website. Have a good day and try this, and you can have your WordPress website in just 5 to 10 minutes. No development, no coding required, only a few clicks and you will have your beautiful website with you. So have a good day and hope you will like my video. Just click on subscribe button and also subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for next upcoming videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.